1.
Yo guys, this is z.solver here, and we're learning how to solve a 1 by 1. It's pretty easy. You should also watch the tutorial from JPerm. Very simple.
Simplest thing ever.
And it's very easy, and you can get 0.01, which is what I did before I made this video. So first, what you've got to do is move the white side. I just got black since I couldn't find any white tiles. You've got to move it to the bottom. So if it's at the top, then do this algorithm. R prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And then, one more time, R, U, R prime, U prime. Oh wait, you do that? So what you've got to do is just rotate it to the bottom, and that's the first layer complete. What about the second layer? On a 3 by 3. On a 3 by 3. Well, on a 3 by... Where did the piece go?
Did you know that if you don't like and subscribe, your house will burn down tomorrow?
Adios, amigo. Oh. So you've got to, and then you've got to make sure the yellow side is on the top, and then you've got to and then you've got to twist it, and then it's solved. And this is me solving. And that's how you solve a 1 by 1.
Daddy!
Like and subscribe. I'm trying to reach 10 subscribers by the end of the month.